thirst quencher. You understand me? That's how we do it. Drinking. Well, not alcohol, but we should do cheers. You know. And
cheers.
Cheers. Cheers to all that business.
Sprite. It does the body good.
No caffeine. You see that? You see that? You like that? You like that, don't you? No caffeine. You know? Wait. Let me show you the low sodium side.
So we about to bring down a belching contest up in this mug. You ready?
Okay.
We're about to drop it like it's hot.
That's when it's cold. It's a little frigid. Oh, you think you're good? You think you're good? You think you're good? See, I can't mess up. What is that, like 3-0 right now?
Guys, this is so not ladylike, but hey, I don't care. I'm having a blast with my little brother.
Mm-hmm. Hold on. It's gonna come. It's gonna come sooner or later. Don't spit up now.
I'll do it for you.
Look at you about to spit up. She needs a bib like Samuel. She needs a bib. She needs a bib. Okay, it's really not working.
What do you got? You probably have a more. Take the goddamn cork.
I'm trying. I can't make myself burp. Okay, you make yourself burp. You cheating that. You cheating. You cheating. I can't do that. Like, it's not working. It's not. It's not working how I planned. Yo, don't laugh at me now. I mean, boy, y'all can laugh because that means you're enjoying, but don't, you know what I'm saying, man. Just look, man. You see how she do? You see how she do? I mean, man, you probably see the back of her. You probably see her tonsils when she do it, right? Open mouth all wide. It's gonna come sooner or later. Watch. My video responses of you belching like you ain't got no damn sense. Just belch because you. Well, I can do something you can't. Yeah. Okay. I don't know. I can just do it. I don't know. You know, I figured you got me like 7-0. I figured I'd try to be creative with it. You know, do a little something that you can't do. Can you play your nose? I can do that too, right? See, okay. Instead of belching, I'm gonna substitute belching for something she can't do. Yeah, and the kid is double jointed. Can you do this? You can't do that, can you? Look at that. Double jointed. Look at that. Can you do that? No. Okay.
Do it again.
Try that. Try.
You gotta see your hand.
Oh, sorry. Can you see that? Yeah. And then you can't bend it, can you? Like this, huh? Can you bend it like that, huh? You know what? You ain't even fair right now. You ain't even fair. You know?
What kind of belt? You did one of these.
You know, how about this? How about I really didn't realize I just burped until she said it? I swear I didn't really, like.
That's funny as hell.
I felt like you saying me burp, I just didn't realize. Dang, I didn't know I was
I'll be about to roll out.
I didn't even know I was a burp.
You a hot mess.
I didn't even think I want to come, and I could have belched.
My brother is crazy.
I could have belched.
This is a smile you see?
Man, I'm not even gonna say my name. I could have belched.
Braveheart, Samuel.
That could have been a good one. I could have belched. Y'all know I could belch, right?
He can't belch.
Y'all know I could have.